Let's now go across live and exclusive to Patna. Joining us from there is the Director General of Police of the state of Bihar, Gupteshwar Pandey. He's been the man leading the probe, asking for a probe investigation to be taken away from the Mumbai police. Gupteshwar Pandey, congratulations, you fought a long and hard battle and finally the Supreme Court leaning and weighing in your favor. Are you confident that finally there will be justice for Sushant now that the case has been handed over to the CBI, sir?
I'm sure. I have reason to believe because I tell you what we did. We instituted FIR was lodged here on 25th, on 27th. We sent our team, and a 4-member team went to Mumbai, and there was total non-cooperation movement over there. Nobody was ready to meet. No senior police officer was ready to meet my team. They were not ready to hand over any legal documents. They were not ready to share any information with my officers. I have told it several times. The direction in which Mumbai police was going on, that was perhaps not right. It was not in investigation, was not being done in right direction, and they were not ready to hand over the charge to Bihar police. They were not ready to allow us to investigate. So this was the only option, that the case should have been handed over to CBI. Now that the case is with the CBI, I have every reason to believe that justice will be done with Sushant.
What's your sense of why the Mumbai police was wary of handing over the case files and the evidence to the Bihar police? Why were they giving the Bihar police a tough time? What's your sense of what the Mumbai police is trying to hide, Mr. Pandey?
So if I give the right answer, that will be political. There will be political controversy. I don't want to get into that. But you tell me, simple thing. If my team goes there, 4 members team goes there, simple. This was very simple. CP could have called them and told them, look, you don't have any jurisdiction. You go back. I won't allow you to investigate. And they didn't do it. Then my officer was senior IPS officer, landed over there, Mr. Binay Tiwari. CP could have called him and told him, look, you don't have any jurisdiction, you go back with your team. मैंने बुला लिया होता. There was no need to fight. But they didn't do this. क्यों कर रहे थे? Why Mumbai police was behaving this way is very difficult for me to comment. But I hope everybody understands this. I won't comment on this. But this was not a professional behavior on part of Mumbai police. This is why इस केस को CBI को जाना चाहिए.
On the basis of what you and your officers have seen so far, how convinced are you, Director General, that this is a case of murder and not of suicide? Because ultimately it's not what's said in television studios, it's about the evidence that investigators can present in court. How confident are you that you will be able to identify, now that a CBI probe has been ordered, who, if at all, murdered Sushant Singh, and then be able to nab that culprit and have him convicted in a court of law?
हमने एक ही बात कहा कि truth must come. ये is a mysterious death. It's not a normal case of suicide. This is what I have told. Every time, whenever I interacted with media, I repeated the same thing, that it's not a simple case of suicide. It's very mysterious. And Mumbai police had made it more mysterious by behaving in a very unprofessional way.
So in this entire episode over the past few weeks, you've won many admirers who've been taken in by your passion for pushing this case, but you've also received a lot of brickbats, people questioning your motives as well. How do you respond to your critics? On a day when the Supreme Court has transferred this case to the CBI, how do you respond to those critics?
I don't mind.
Hanji. मेरा सवाल सुन लीजिए. Those who are linking this,
हाँ
जी बताइए.
I tell you, हाँ बोलिए, linking this to what?
No, linking this case to Bihar politics, the assembly elections. Some have even flung charges your way, saying that, you know, the Director General Police acting almost like a politician in the manner in which he's leading this case. All of this linked because you apparently wanted to once contest on a BJP ticket. So how do you respond to all these charges, sir? Ji.
I got your point. I'll explain. I got your point. I got your point. I'll respond. The first day when this incident, so-called suicide, whatever it may be, Now let the truth come out. The second day after this incident, who was the first to visit Mr. K.K. Singh's home? Mr. K.K. Singh, late Sushant's father, he lives here in Patna. I was first to visit his home. I was first man to visit his home. And who called the CP Mumbai for the first time next day after this incident? It was me. I called up. He didn't take my call. Next day, there were no politics at that time. Nobody knew case is going to take such an ugly turn. There are so many twists. Nobody knew this. Even I don't know. Nobody knew. I called up CP Mumbai. I wanted to speak to him. He didn't take my call. Then I sent him a message also, introducing myself. I am Gupteshwar Pandey, DGP Bihar. I want to speak about, I want to know the details about this so-called suicide of Sushant. How did it happen and all those details. He didn't respond to my message also. That day there was no politics. Now I did. अब लोगों का allegation का बात है तो people are there. They are making all of allegation against K.K. Singh also, against Sushant's sisters also, against member of his family also, against our chief minister also. The same people, set of people are making allegations against me also. I don't have to do anything. I don't have anything personal in it. I don't have any personal enmity with Riya Chakravarti or anybody who has been made accused in the FIR, which has been lodged over here. I don't have any personal. I don't even know who is Riya Chakravarti. I've never seen her. I've never met her. Before this incident, I had not even heard her name. I don't have any personal enmity. I only want that truth must come. There is some mystery in it.
I'll leave it over there. We wish you all the best. Gupteshwar Pandey, Director General of Police in Bihar.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.